Hello and welcome to a new reading. Let's have some messages for you today and see what is going on in your situation. What advice do the spirits have for you right now? Let's see. What is the message? What is the message for the viewer right now? What is the message? Lake, stillness. Wow. It's time for you to find that inner peace and to look around you. What do you have in your life right now that is something to be grateful for? Accept how it is right now and try to stay present in your situation. Is there anything, even if you have challenges, can you try not to pay so much attention to the challenges and to redirect your energy to something more fulfilling in your life right now? To get that inner peace, just feel harmonious in your situation right now. Let's see. I feel both of them. Yeah, the Nine of Swords. I think you are worrying way too much. Because the Nine of Swords, when you are beating yourself up for things that didn't work out and worry too much about the future, remember, everything shall pass. Everything, even the most challenging situations, are going to be removed because you have the Seven of Swords under there. I feel that someone's betrayed you. And that is what you are putting your emotions and your mind to right now. You are thinking about where did everything went wrong for you. But remember, when people betrayed you, that was their problem. But you make this your problem right now. And it's not necessary. I believe that you now see the truth and see the real persons around you, how they are, how they treat you. And it's time for you to remove yourself from that situation. With the stillness here and the lake, you remember that silence is the most powerful thing you can do. Just to remove yourself, don't be available for people who don't treat you well. And by doing that, accepting that they have their own journey, but you are not going to be a part of that anymore. You want that inner peace. You want to be in a mindset where you can feel that you are loved most of all, and even practice self-love. That's even more important, because if you don't fill up your own cup, you don't have anything to give. But I feel you have a situation here where you have been giving more than enough. And this is the time where you look for the future with a brighter mind, where you can feel that there are possibilities, where you can approach your situation in another way, where you can just relax, trust your journey, and if people are removed from your life, there is a reason for that. Maybe they don't even have the capacity to treat you better. And I believe, and that is a hard lesson to learn. I found that very hard to learn, that we often allow people to behave badly against us. And when we realize that, that is when you can end that situation, where you say, enough is enough. Only I have done to you is give you my love and compassion. You didn't appreciate it. Instead, you backstabbed me, you betrayed me. And is that people you really want in your life? Think about it. There are a tribe out there willing to appreciate you, support you, and love you for who you are. You don't have to prove your worth to anyone than yourself. And I think that's quite a good message, to get into that mindset where you know inside you, you create your own happiness. You fulfill your own dreams. This, I would say, is distractions that you don't need anymore, because you have the death card here. Look at that. The death card is to close the door to your past. Whatever wasn't serving you anymore is coming to an end. It means that spirits are removing people that doesn't support you, doesn't love you. All they do is making distractions on your journey. And that ends here. Because the death card is not only about closure, it is also about a new door opening to new possibilities, to new good people coming into your life. Yeah, you got the 3 of Wands. Look at that. When you close the door to your past, to reconnect with your own inner child that has that beautiful excitement for the future, then you will see your ships are coming in. Whatever you want, you have made space for that. And it's time for your journey to begin, your new chapter, where good things and blessings are coming your way. That's the reason some people was removed. It's hard sometimes to accept that, but I think this is the time where you have to. You have been through a lot because of other people, but this is where you take the reins in your own hand and take back your power and see how powerful you really are. Because you have the 5 of Cups here. Look at that. The 5 of Cups, first of all, it could remind you about what you have lost, but at the same time, it is the reminder of the change that you need to do for your own good. And I believe that starts with you filling up your own cup now, because the 5 of Cups, there is still a cup standing that is available for you right now. And that's what I meant when I started this reading. Try to look around you, even if things are challenging right now. See, what is it that you have in your life already that make you feel grateful? That feeling is a message to the universe that you are ready for change. You are ready to experience more blessings, more things to be grateful for. You got the Devil here. And the underlier there is the King of Swords. The devil tells me it's time to cut the cords. Whatever is not serving you anymore, the people, situation that has no place on your future journey, it's time to cut. And with the King of Swords, that is when you take back your power, when you see clearly where the change has to be for you. And I love that. Sometimes we feel that even if people are treating us badly, we feel that we have to try once more to repair the connection, to give a little bit more. But when the people you give to don't appreciate it and never give anything back, anything else than backstabbing, betrayal, and bad behavior, they are not worth it. I'm sorry to say, but, and that includes even people you saw as your friends, your family. But it's time for you to choose your own family. The chosen family is the family that really has your back. Even if you struggle, they are standing by you, they support you, and they are the people you should keep in your life. So it's time to release all that struggle, to remove yourself from the energy of betrayal and disappointments and loss in your life. Let it go, my dear viewer. You are worth so much more. You are worth so much more. Let's have a final card. From the healing spirits, let's have a final card. Any more messages the spirits wants to share with you today? Let's see. What is it? I feel there are two cards here, but I only want this one. Yeah. Go within again. It's number 48. Go within. And that reminds you about the stillness, to quiet your own mind. Just to get still enough to see how much beautiful energy. Look at the colors in this card. That means there are some inner child passion for life. You need that to feel more joy and to be in your own mindset in a good way. When you embrace that magical feeling and believe in change, because we are changing all the time, but sometimes we think that it has to be the big things, but we have to start with the small steps, just taking back your power, because you are worth so much more. And with that, I wish you a wonderful day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.